Hi beauties, it's Kendy Jane. Thank you for watching today. What we're doing today is we're gonna do a spoiler alert on the new May 2018 Boxycharm. I'm gonna tell you what's in it. So if you don't want to know these items before you get it, now's the time to stop watching. So let's get into that video. We normally have 4 to 5 full-size products, but this month we have six products. I just can't understand how you have 6 products for $21. So far we know for a fact the first product is from Pretty Vulgar, and it is called the Gel Eyeliner. It's a great looking eyeliner in a pot. This eyeliner retails for $24, and it comes in 3 different colors. It comes in gray, which they call Dear Diary, black, which is called Blacklist, and brown, which is called Plot Twist. It's rated very high on Sephora. It gets 4.3 out of 5 with 51 reviews. It's rated very high, long wearing, smudge proof. It's a gel, and they recommend to use a winged brush to do an eye look. Like if you want to do a winged liner, to use a angle brush. Which leads us to the second product, which is going to be a set of 3 brushes from Aesthetica. I couldn't find a lot of information on this company. I know it's going to be an eyeliner brush, a brow, and spoolie brush set, which retails for $45. Our third item that's been leaked is by Cover FX, which is one of my favorite cosmetic lines. It's a blurring primer. Now this primer is pretty special. I can't wait to get it. You can wear it 3 different ways. The first way, you can wear it under your foundation, get your skin like a smooth canvas, ready to accept the foundation. You could also wear it alone on your face to have a soft, focused airbrush effect look on your face. This primer is really good. If you have any skin imperfections, it blurs out all that. And then the third way is you can wear it over your makeup. It's an instant retouching balm, which I've never really had. I guess if your foundation gets messed up, you can just dab a little primer on it and fix it. This product is also vegan and cruelty free. It's clinically tested and free of fragrance, gluten, mineral oil, and talc. Cover FX is a high-end product. This product retails for $38. $38. And it's rated 3.9 out of 5 with 83 reviews. That's on Sephora site. Our fourth item is going to be from Per Cosmetics. This is pretty sure it's going to be the Sculptor Highlight and Contour Palette. This retails for $30. Of course, it's vegan and cruelty free. Boxycharm's products will always be vegan and cruelty free brands. The palette has 4 colors, 2 highlighters, and 2 contour colors. The colors in the contour and highlight palette are universally flattering for all skin types. So that leaves us, okay, if you add all 4 of these products up, it will total $137, because the Per highlighter bronze palette retails for $30. So all 4 of those products retail for $137, and we still have 2 products to go. Now, I was thinking, what can these 2 products possibly be? I'm thinking possibly some sort of lip treatment, like a lipstick, a lip gloss, a liquid lip, and one other product. It won't be an eyeliner because we're getting the gel. I was thinking possibly maybe a lip liner would be good. Possibly maybe lashes. We have received a blush not too long ago. I mean, it wouldn't matter if we received something, a blush again, but I'm just thinking it's probably going to be something different. In the comments, why don't you let me know what you think those last 2 products will be. This box can go over, I would think, a lipstick and one other product, at least $35 more, which would bring it at possibly $172. Each month I think this is the best box ever, but it just keeps getting better and better and better. So if anybody has not subscribed to Boxycharm, you really need to. Just one product is worth the $21 you're going to spend, and you can cancel anytime. If you just want one box, you would hurry and join right now if you want this box. And the minute it ships out, then cancel, and you'll get that one box. Now, if you're interested in getting Boxycharm and you haven't subscribed yet, I have the link under this video. You just click on the link. You'll have to do a little questionnaire. You can pay by the month, or you can pay 6 months. You can do whatever you like, but I'll have the link at the bottom. That's my smaller review of what's in the Boxycharm. I didn't get into any application techniques, or I will get into that when I review the box. I will demo the products. So if you like my review, please give me a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe and ring that bell for any further notifications. And if I hear of any slips of the last 2 products, I will put them up to update this video. I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Until next time, bye.